Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. These will be essential for removing the screws and accessing the battery compartment of your Conga 3690. Start by turning off the device and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Conga 3690. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery compartment. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. It's a good idea to clean this space with a soft cloth or a small brush to ensure optimal performance after the new battery is installed. Now, carefully disconnect the old battery. This usually involves unclipping a connector or unscrewing it from its mount. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws and clips have been removed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it in the same manner as the old one. Ensure that it is securely fastened and that all connections are tight. This is vital for the device to function correctly. After the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could damage the panel. Before you power on the device, take a moment to clean any remaining dust from the exterior. A clean device not only looks better but also functions more efficiently. If you need assistance with this, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in top condition. Now plug the Conga 3690 back in and turn it on. Check to see if the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 3690. If you encounter any issues or if the device does not power on, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can handle everything from the comfort of your home. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope it has been helpful in maintaining your Conga 3690. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.